Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create open link of Discord on your Chrome. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. So if you want to make Discord open link in your Chrome, it's a pretty easy thing. First of all, open up the Discord mobile application. And now without further moving in the video, please make sure that you've already subscribed to Solution Lab. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. Now let's jump right in. Now go back from here, and at the very bottom right, you should be able to find your profile. Tap on your profile, and at the top right, click on that settings option. Now what you need to do is you have to find the web. If you have the web here, this is the web browser right here, click on it, and for here you can easily click on external browsing. Once you click on external browsing, it will be redirect you to the Chrome, and you can easily create an open link or make an open link of your Discord in your Chrome. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.